So guys, here we have is this WTI crude oil. Now let's do a quick analysis on it. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Click on the subscribe button and also make your comment. I love to watch out for it. So the full trend itself is a bearish move, right? WTI crude oil is actually on a bearish move. If you notice is that during this period when we're having this bullish move, right, you will notice that our USD index, right, which I'll be doing analysis on. You can go there to watch it. That our USD index has been giving us a bearish move. But now that we are having this drop, right, we are not, that is one of the reasons why we are having a bullish move on our USD itself. So once there's kind of like a correlation within this WTI price and the price of our USD, is that once this USD itself is actually going bullish, then we will be seeing a bearish move on our WTI crude oil. So that is the correlation itself. That is it. We are expecting a bullish move on our DXY, which is our USD index, right? So as we will be expecting a bullish move on that pair, we should be expecting a bearish move on our WTI crude oil. So that is it. Now let's take a look at this movement itself. Let's align some levels. We can see that price has once dropped to this level. We saw it bounce up, right? It reacted at this level, bouncing up. We saw it again drop to this same level. Then it went up, reacted here. Then this price actually came to this level. We saw it reacted here, right? We also saw it came to this level. We saw it reacted here. Once price broke below it, we had a pullback, right? It reacts here. So this is why one of the reasons why I highlighted this level, because price has reacted to this level multiple times. So once price has reacted to a level previously and it gets to that same level, it will definitely react at that same level. So this is one of the reasons why we are having a drop on this WTI crude oil. So is this drop over? Well, I don't think so, because one thing is that our USD index or USD is still on a bullish move, right? So maybe until the bullish move on that our USD is over, then we would continue to start bullish move. Then we would continue to get that bullish on our WTI crude oil. If not, we would continue to see that bearish move on WTI crude oil. So WTI crude oil, I personally still see this as a bearish move. So I would want to see it drop to this level of $84. Currently, we are trading at a level of $86 on this WTI crude oil. Now you see that price has gotten to this level. We should see it drop further down to a level of $84. We saw its price has once reacted to this level multiple times. We saw it reacted here one before it pushes up. We saw it came to this level like 3 times before it pushes up again. Now we are seeing it dropping down, and the next level we clearly can see this WTI drop to is a level of $84. So have just have it in mind that on the first and second, we would have this bearish move on WTI crude oil down to a level of $84. So now that should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So what does the 4-hour time frame say? This is clearly a bearish move. Now notice that I said that we would be having a drop right to a level of 84, right? And we would want to place this trade, right? And we would want to place it on the 4-hour time frame. What does the 4-hour time frame says? It says we are bearish. Assuming the 4-hour time frame is on a bullish move, then the advice would be that we should stay out of this trade. But since it is still on a bearish move, then I think it is a good opportunity to actually enter, except you want to wait for a pullback, which is actually good, which is not bad by the way. So maybe we can take this as a drop bearish move. Here we can see it as a correction, another bearish move here. Then possibly a correction should be made, because I believe it will happen. We saw this price has reacted to this level multiple times, right? You see some rejection at this level, then definitely once prices at this level again, we should see a rejection, thereby giving us a pullback. Maybe once the pullback has occurred back to this level, then you can enter to short this WTI crude oil. So if you want to wait for a pullback before you enter to short this WTI crude oil, then there's no problem. So maybe wait for a pullback on the 4-hour time frame, then short it. Maybe by that time, once we have a pullback should have hit our 10-period moving average. I see. That will also be a confirmation that we should actually short this trade. So WTI crude oil, expect a bearish move. And now we want this 1-hour time frame says clearly this is a bearish move. We are clearly seeing a lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs on the 1-hour time frame, right? So we can take this drop, right? And here comes the correction. And now we'll be expecting another drop on WTI crude oil. So it is up to you on how you want to play this trade. So WTI crude oil, we should actually expect a bearish move on the 1st of November.